Today I will show you how to create an expense report using Certify. You will first need to click New Expense Report. It then gives you the options to add all items, to use a date range, or to start with a blank expense report. I will go ahead and use a date range. It asks me to name my report, to provide a start date and an end date. It lets me know how many of the receipts that I included in my Certify wallet are already in the system. I'll use a cleanup wizard to make sure that all the information is in. It will ask me for several categories, such as the department, the nature of the category, amount, vendor, location, reason, whether I paid for this or the company did. I'll go through each one to make sure that all the information is correct, comparing with my receipt here, where I have a Zoom button available. Once I have no red flags, I can edit an expense if I need to. I can delete an expense if I need to. I can split it, I can send back to my wallet, I can copy it, and I can add an additional image. I also can add additional receipts that are already in my Certify wallet. Once you have all your red flags cleared, you can click Submit for approval.